The economics of space exploration is a multifaceted topic that involves both public and private sector activities. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the landscape may have evolved further. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Costs of space exploration. Launch costs. One of the most significant expenses in space exploration is the cost of launching payloads into space. Private companies, such as SpaceX, have been working on reducing these costs through innovations like reusable rocket technology. Mission costs. Designing, building, and operating spacecraft for exploration missions incurs substantial costs. This includes the development of cutting-edge technology, materials, and scientific instruments. 2. Public sector involvement. Governments, particularly through agencies like NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration in the United States, ESA, European Space Agency, Roscosmos, Russian Space Agency, and others, have historically been major players in space exploration. Public funding for space programs often faces competition with other national priorities, and political and budgetary considerations can impact the scope and scale of space exploration initiatives. 3. Private sector involvement. The involvement of private companies, such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others, has introduced new dynamics. These companies aim to commercialize space activities, reduce costs, and make space exploration more economically viable. Private companies are involved in satellite launches, cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and even planning for space tourism. 4. Satellite industry. The satellite industry is a significant player in space economics. Communication, Earth observation, weather monitoring, and navigation satellites contribute to economic activities on Earth. Private companies are increasingly involved in launching and operating satellites for various purposes. 5. Space tourism. The concept of space tourism is gaining attention. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are working towards offering commercial space travel experiences. The success and growth of this industry depend on factors like safety, affordability, and public interest. The economics of space exploration is an evolving field influenced by technological advancements, geopolitical considerations, and the balance between public and private sector involvement. As the space industry continues to grow and evolve, it's likely that new economic models and opportunities will emerge. For more personal finance tips, subscribe our YouTube channel, Finance Chronicle.